Hey guys, Legend27 here. We're going to be doing a graffiti video, but with a little twist this time. I'm going to be talking you through how you draw it. Today the aim is to draw this ninja. The end result of my other ninjas look pretty cool, so let's get into the video. I'm going to be doing a lot of cutting in this video, so yeah, let's do it. Good. I always start off with the hat, so I'm gonna go here. Just going to check if you guys can see that, because it might make a difference. Yep, you guys can see that. Probably going to edit that bit out, but... So yeah, this is he's going to be wearing a hat and a, what do you call, a ninja-like type thing that covers your face. Yeah, we're going to be starting off with that. You basically just put that. And then you connect it like this with a... Actually, I'm going to rub that out. I'm using this rubber right here. Yeah. There we go. I got it from a art store. That's a bit better. And then go like that. You can maybe add a little bit of this. Make it look better. You can go over this. I'm gonna cut this bit out, but I'm gonna cut this out so when I've done the cap I'll get back to you. So yeah. So yeah, we're back. This is the cap. So now we're going to be doing like the ninja scarf, whatever you call it, and the eyes. So it's not going to have any mouth, any nose, you can only see his eyes. So yeah, let's do that. So you go like this for this is what he ties around his face so no one can see him. And then I'm basically gonna, like this, it goes down a bit. Actually, this is gonna be curved a bit more. There we go, better. And then it goes down like this. And basically to finish it off, just gonna I'm just going to cut this bit out because I've done it wrong. And when I finish this bit, I'll get back to you guys. so we've done that. I made a little mistake, but that's okay. I had to rub it out. Got my rubber here, so that's all good. Now we're going to, for the eyes, it's going to have like, these cool like slanted eyes. So yeah, they're going to be, one's going to be here. That one's going to be like that. And then I'm going to skip ahead, and when we get, and I'm going to skip ahead, and when we get, because I'm going to colour this in, so yeah. Hey guys, we're back. So I've coloured this in black because he's obviously going to be a ninja. No one's going to see him. I'm just going to colour this in very quickly. So yeah, if you want to do this, I'm not using a ruler, but if you want to get the straight lines for the cap, then you can. All I'm using is a rubber and a pencil. That's pretty much it. Now I'm just going to do this. There's like some lines. I found out how to do this from a video, so I've forgotten his name, but shout out to him. He's very good at graffiti or drawing. So now we're doing the arms and body, and then that will be it. You can add anything you want to this, but this is how I'm going to do it. So yeah, that was all fine, just made a strange noise. And this is how I do the arms. So you don't connect it to the mask when it goes down like this. Down like this. Cross. Leave that for now. But now let's do it. He's going to be a graffiti ninja. He's going to be doing some graffiti in the night. So I'm going to draw a spray can. You can do like a ninja with swords or something, but that's what I'm going to do. Go across like this. This in line, and then this needs to be a bit wider. I've done it wrong, so, well, not wrong, but just made a mistake. That should be good, because you need to fit in the finger as well. Simply going to be like that. And now we need to connect. So the can's going to be going down like this. Out like that. Like that. Finish off this top bit. So basically like that. Like that. and then there's this like little knob up here, and then this is where it's going to come out from. And then we need a thumb on this, so it's gonna be like
the length 1 bar, 0 bar. It's gonna do it.